How do I replace the sheath filter on the Luminex 200?
Let's take a look at the procedure for removing and replacing the sheath filter on the Luminex 200. This routine is part of the annual maintenance schedule.
Why should I replace the sheath filter?
The sheath filter removes particles greater than 10 microns in diameter from the sheath fluid. This keeps the fluidics system clean of particles causing buildup on the filter. Keeping the sheath filter clean helps ensure accurate test results. The filter needs to be replaced annually. Replacement sheath filters can be purchased from Luminex.
Here's how to replace the sheath fluid filter.
Turn off the power switch on the rear of the analyzer and unplug the power cord from the wall. Disconnect the sheath fluid tubing. Open the left door on the Luminex 200 analyzer. Disconnect the filter by pushing down on the metal clamps on each connection. Connect the new sheath filter, matching up the color-coded fittings. The arrow on the sheath filter should be pointing up. Reconnect the sheath fluid tubing. Plug in and power on the Luminex 200 analyzer. Close the left analyzer door. Using Exponent software, run the prime command twice. This will remove any air bubbles in the fluidics lines. Navigate to the Maintenance page, Commands and Routines tab. From the Commands list, click on Prime twice to add it to the command sequence. This fills the new sheath filter and all the fluidics lines with sheath fluid.
And finally, remember,
replacing the sheath filter on the Luminex 200 instrument needs to be completed annually. This filter keeps the sheath fluid clean of debris. Because the buildup remains on the filter, it must be disposed of and replaced with a clean filter.